This is 2881 Ohio Street, Unit 9. It's a gambrel garage. Owner is just going through and renovating the whole property. There's 6 units here currently. Kind of neat because they're all separated. This one they've just gone through, done some odds and ends. They had a big piece of equipment here. Did a brand new septic system for a couple units up front, so it kind of made a mess of the yard. It looks kind of terrible actually. But it is actually neat because it's a lawn area for just this unit. As you can see there, it has a fire pit and there's a stairway that goes up to the back deck. The unit's got a neat location because it's at the back of the property. The property is actually vacant. They had a long-term tenant that moved out a bit. And so it doesn't include the downstairs. The garage bays are used by the owner for storage, but it does have, sorry, I'm going too fast probably. It does have like private entry here for Unit 9. And then you go upstairs and it's a whole top floor. It's a surprisingly big unit. It's a 2-bedroom or 1-bedroom with an office, depending on how somebody want to use it. They just put down new flooring in the bedrooms, so they've got some trim over here that goes around. The owner added heat pump. The unit will have an option of having heat included or not included, but it will give the tenant an option to have central air conditioning all the time in our hot months, you know, which is kind of a neat feature. So kind of open floor plan basically. Big living room, kitchen, and then as you come in, room for a dining area if somebody wants. It does have kind of a nice pantry as you come in. You got here a little bigger fridge than most, I guess, and then appliances are not new. They're 8 or 10 years old. And they had to do a repair on the countertop a couple years ago when the tenant was here, I guess, and they didn't match the countertop, so it is all blue. But in all fairness, they are going to paint the cabinets though, so they all match. And and then obviously that leftover bureau is going to go. Bathroom they updated, so it's got basically new bathroom. It was done about 10 years ago, as I understand it. So it's not new, but that's it. It's a lot newer than most. So full tub shower. Vanity is kind of oversized, and it gets a lot of natural light because of the, I don't know if you call that a skylight works on the side, but I guess it's the same concept. A big vanity. So. And it does have linen storage behind as well. It does have really good storage. And then I think this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. And still I think would take a queen bed without any problem. And it is getting, they've painted this. It's getting trim put around, obviously. It has the closet, and it is double-sided closet over there. And then it's got, I think, a slightly bigger bedroom here. This is big enough to do a king-size bed. Could do it on this wall. If somebody didn't have a headboard, but on that wall there's plenty of room. And so they're going to install the trim is finished, do a little bit of finish touch-up and some floor transitions, that kind of stuff to finish it up. But that all will be done this coming week. Putting in new smoke detectors. I think that's kind of it. It's also got a bonus closet here, which is kind of nice. So, a lot of closet space and the privacy. So the owner is willing to rent, heat included or heat not included. Both of those would be an option, and if you're interested, get back to us. The final thing, I guess, is the back deck. It is abnormally big for a rental, and does have its own stairway down, which is kind of nice, but big enough to do like a patio set and have a grill still. And again, just kind of nice privacy back here. So if you would be interested, certainly let us know. You can visit us at rentbangor.com.